Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So in the last two videos you have seen the unboxing of Hero Sprint Flash with the basic walk around of the cycle, and in this particular video I'm going to give some insights, more insights on this cycle. Okay, so let me start. So as you already know, to give you some basic information again about this cycle. So this cycle has got a 17-inch frame with the 2090 tires, along with the Shimano Tourney derailleurs, which has got the 21 speed, okay, with the two disc brakes in both the rear and in front. So speaking particularly about this cycle, so we have, starting with the tires. So as you can clearly know, this cycle, for this cycle we have got the Ralston Explorer Vasco. It's a very good tire. It's made up of the very soft compound. It's a pure nylon tires, which I can say, and this is a big advantage. As you can see, you have got a 2090, and when you have a bigger circumference wheels, you can cover the distance more. Okay, so that's one of the very important thing. The next important thing is like I really didn't liked about the setup of this particular stem when compared to Hercules A50. So these are I don't think so these are like of so much good quality. And coming on to the shocks. The shocks is set up on a softer side. So usually when we talk about these kind of MTB or the ATB cycles, the shocks will always be on the harder side to support you during the downhill, or if you want to do some off-road and all. So this particular cycle, Hero Sprint, which I'm talking about, has a softer compound shocks. So which the main advantage of this particular having a soft shocks are like in roads, when you are riding it on normal roads, it's very good. You can feel that you don't feel to get the hardness of the shocks. You can ride it easily. And let me tell you, another important thing is like, taking into consideration the brand Hero Sprint. So we have both Hero Sprint and Hero Sprint Pro, which is nothing but, when we talk about Hero Sprint Pro, that is mainly particularly made for, that's an MTB cycle where you can go hard trail, and you can do some off-roading, real stuffs in off-roading. But when compared to this cycle, this particular Hero Sprint is all about to ride you on the roads. It is not specifically meant you to go to the off-road, but you can easily ride it on a normal road, and little bit potholes on something like that. There is no problem with that. Okay, coming on to the gears. Okay, so usually when we buy the bicycle, we had the complaints about many people that my gear shifting is not working properly, it is not upshifting, or it is not downshifting. The main thing about this cycle, or any other taken into consideration any cycle, is like whenever you buy a new bicycle, so the gear adjustment will not be in a perfect condition. Okay, so when I say the perfect condition, for some cycle the upshifting might not be working properly, or the downshifting might not working properly. So what I suggest for you people is like so whenever you face this kind of situation, there is a small, hold on for a second. So whenever you feel something, this kind of situation, there is a small pivotal nut here. You can see this, I am pointing out. So you can just turn it towards anti-clockwise or the clockwise to set up the adjustment correctly. So this will give you this is a very important part, where there will be a minute thing which you need to do. So you just need to turn it in anti-clockwise or the clockwise to get the proper adjustment. Okay, so again some people again complained about we have problem with our the tires, the disc are getting jammed and all. So basically, let me tell you, even when I bought this cycle, my disc was little bit jammed, because it needs to be set up properly. Only thing is, like, it's a very simple process. If you need to set up your disc to if you feel that it should not get jammed, so when you fit the bicycle into the shocks, the thing is, like, you have to, so as you can see, so as you can see this particular screw out here, this one, so this one, and you can, or hold on for a second, let me. So the main two screws are this one and this one. So what you need to do is, like, you little loosen this particular screw and little adjust the whole unit so that you get a proper alignment with the wheels. That will resolve your problem. So coming on to the ride quality, so some people some people ask me, how is the ride quality? So how I personally say that it's very good. The thing is, like, when you get a soft shocks, you can ride it easily. Even initially I had some problem with my gears, which I already told you. It's a matter of just loosen or tighten the gear adjustment screws. So there lies the problem. And again, one more thing is, like, whenever you buy this particular cycle or any other cycle, try to fix it with the cycle mechanic, so that you get a proper alignment of all your wheels along with the gears. So the thing is, like, can you see this particular screw out here? So in my case, even after buying this cycle for almost, like, after 3 days, this got loosened up and it came till here, so that my front derailleur was not working properly. So what I did was, like, again I pushed it backwards, and I made again a correct setup, and I tightened this particular screw. Just check out. So this screw should be tightened very properly. Okay. So coming on to the weight of this cycle, it's around maybe around 16 to 18 kilos, which is not particularly bad. And one more important thing, advantage of this cycle is, like, this cycle has got a very good seat. That means you can travel for long. Maybe even I have traveled some 25-30 kilometers in a stretch, and I have got a very good feeling when compared with the other cycles. Okay, so that's one of the important advantage. And once you buy this cycle, you can also order for the mudguards. So again, it will enhance the look of this cycle, and it will gives you the basic protection against the mud splash. Okay, so again, coming on to the handlebars. Okay, so can you see this? Okay, see, if you really want to compare the Hero Sprint Flash with the other Hero Sprint Pro cycles, the handle is not that of great quality. Maybe in other cycles, in Hero Sprint Pro, you have the branding which is embossed over the handlebars, but in Hero Sprint they have not done. So maybe that might be the reason. Some people have really asked whether to go for this cycle or not. So what I personally suggest is, like, you can easily go with the cycle, because you are getting a 21 speed with a 29T for a price of 10k. I got my bicycle for 10k, and that's worth when you compare to the other cycles which is having the similar features. So it's up to you to decide whether you need to go for this cycle, or you need to go for any other cycles, which is Hercules Rodeo, Fugitive, or other cycles which having the 29T, which costs you around 14k to 15k around the market. This cycle you will get for almost 10k, so which is nothing but which is 5k less than the other cycles. So hope Hope you people really like this video, and do subscribe to my channel for the other videos, upcoming videos, and the real comparison with the Hercules A50. Thank you very much. Do subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Thank you all.